At my Jolt conference in 2021, I stood on stage and I told people my definition of marketing, which has taken off, by the way, and I see other people using it. In fact, even my competitors stole it and put it on their website, but that tells you it actually means something. It was my definition of marketing. I told the audience, marketing is human connection at scale. Now, how do you connect with people at scale? The two things might seem like they're on opposite ends of the spectrum. If it's at scale, it can't be a deep connection. Actually, it can. And the way you do that is through the power of video. This is a diagram of what we call our personal connection video. You don't just put your videos out there in the ether. Here's what you got to do. You got to put them on a landing page where they can play. And on that landing page, there needs to be a form where people can submit their information and their questions to you about your video message. And then you need to drive traffic to that video page from email and from social media. And then when they submit their question, it sends them to a page where they can book a meeting with you and engage more deeply, and then they start to get follow-ups. Now, all of this is part of a video strategy that builds personal connections. Video that will actually get watched because you're driving traffic to it, and video that will actually convert business because that traffic has a specific call to action to do the next thing to engage with you. That is personal connection at scale. Want to learn more? Download our State of Digital report.